issue. It goes into harvest. This side releases first. As you can see, it's coming out of there. That side sticks. Pops the curtain out. It makes the machine thinks it's stuck on a full bend. And then it takes a time out each cycle. See that? That ice should be off of there. There it goes. It shuts off. Then the grid comes off. But it's already thinking the bin's full. This one's been an ass kicker. And this is a very typical Manitowoc. All the pressures are good. Everything checks out. So I ended up calling tech support and they want me to deep clean this grid. So they want me to get in there and scrub it, and even though it looks super shiny and good, but we know the ice is sticking up in this area and possibly along the bottom, so I'm gonna do some scrubbing bubbles. This way you can see some scuzz on there. So I was told to mix the cleaner and water 50-50 sprayed on here and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, to take a really good bristled nylon brush and get in here and clean all these cube cells really good. And we're gonna see if that works. That's what I was told to do. We'll see how that works out. After scrubbing with the brush, first I sprayed it with a bunch of 50-50 cleaner, then scrubbing the grid with the brush. Let's see if that fixes my issue here, if I'm a hero or a zero. And see if this thing will harvest properly. Coming down the line. Alright, that corner's releasing down there. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Here it comes. I think it was Monday night. I spent a solid 2 hours on this thing. Had the probes on, checked every valve, every pressure, every freaking thing was onto spec, and it would just hang up on harvest like I showed you at the beginning of the video. And what I ended up doing was calling tech support Tuesday morning. We had a nice long chat about everything, and they told me to get that brush, which is this little brush I've always had. So they told me to make a 50-50 mixture of cleaner and water, spray the grid and let it soak on there for 15 or 20. Then get a good, nice, firm bristled, nylon bristled brush and clean out each cube guide. And I did it. It took forever. And I did the whole thing. And I cleaned the machine one more time with cleaner. And then now you see it's working again. And that was a SOE. I absolutely got slaughtered. Yeah, it was like 2 hours of kicking, and then I didn't even fix the thing till today, today is Wednesday. That machine's only 3 years old. I should have showed you guys the condenser on the roof. The condenser, we're right by the ocean, it's hammered. 3 years and it's absolutely roached. That's a shame, but that's how it is nowadays. Nothing lasts. But if you come across that one, like you saw at the beginning of the video, how the ice was sticking and the grid thing, you got to get in there and clean that grid if everything else checks out. All right, like, subscribe, and we'll check you on the next one.